All right, guys. So I've been getting a lot of questions on what should you do or how should you submit your assignment for today at 11:59 on Canvas. So what you're doing is essentially you're putting all the items for your presentation into a folder like such, like all your prizes. If you did your prizes, you got your business cards, your business plan, your commercial, your pamphlets, your advertisement for your business, um, as well as your flyers and so forth. So all the things that I mentioned in the actual meeting the other day, you're going to put all those items into a folder like such, right? So if this is my 1302 folder, I'm going to drop all them into this folder, right? And then what you need to do is you need to be able to share that folder. So most people will click on it and it'll give you some options, right? Once you click on the item here, it'll give you an option and you say click on share. So what happens is this screen is going to pop up and you say, hey, well, I'm going to share it. Well, this is someone else's, so I can't actually share it with anyone because they didn't give me the rights to share it. So what you want to do is you want to get the link over here on the right hand side at the very top. It'll say get shareable link. You want to share that link to anyone. All right. The way that you do that is by clicking on more. So if I wanted to show you something that's in my drive, um, it would look something like this. So in my drive, let's just say I wanted to share the whole 1302 folder, right? So if I click share, it's going to pop up. It says get shareable link. I get that shareable link and it gives me more options. Once I click on can view, click on that, click on more, and then anyone can have the link to that. So I'm going to do is click save, right? Click save, out. So with that, I'm going to copy and paste this link into a Google document, right? Into a Google document. So what I would do is I would go back to that actual folder that we were looking at initially, and I would create a document inside that folder. But I can't do that because this is someone else's. I'm going to paste that link onto a Google document. So if we're looking at this, I'm going inside my own folder, and I'm going to create something just so everybody can see it. I'm going to right click, create a brand new Google document, label it Nonprofit Summit Materials. I'm going to paste that puppy in there, the actual link, press spacebar, and it creates a URL. And this is what I'm going to submit into Canvas. So if you look on Canvas page here, I'm going to use Dan as an example. She was putting hers in the links over here. Most people have done that. So Dan, I'm not calling you out. It's just that we were putting this over here to the right. What you're going to do is you're going to submit that as a Google document for your assignment. And I hope this clarifies everything.